You have to structure this so you make more money when you're right than you lose when you're wrong. That's it. Everything else is bullshit.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's September the 30th of 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. European stocks and US futures are modestly lower as traders await US data, Fed remarks, and developments on a looming government shutdown. The dollar index stays under pressure with the euro, sterling, and yen advancing, while the Aussie is supported by a hawkish RBA hold. Bonds softened after hotter German state CPI offset cooler French inflation. Gold eased from fresh record highs, and crude remains weak. Attention turns to US consumer confidence, JOLTS, and commentary from central bank officials, along with earnings from Nike and Lamb Weston. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Starting with the currency pairs, Aussie US dollar first. Let's zoom in on that puppy. All right, so here's where we're at. My daily observations
There
are
you go.
available in the Trade Faction trading room. I post them like seconds after I finish recording this podcast. So if you care, or just to sign up for the free thing, and you'll get these things every day. And hopefully, if you're a newbie, or even if you're an old fart like me, you'll be able to get a little benefit from it. I appear to be right more than I'm wrong, and we do this really simple and fast. So, all right, it was going up. Here's your signal that says it has reached overhead resistance. So I think it's going to start to go down here. We have news at 9 o'clock, I believe. We have consumer sentiment, and there was something else, but I can't remember what it is. And I'm going to guess that's what's going to shake this loose and go to the downside. So that's what we're thinking about on that one. Over here is the next one up. This is US Canadian dollar. This one also slow move to the upside. I think we have a little more room to go up here before we hit overhead resistance. We may even break through that resistance, but for right now, my observation is that this will continue to go up, at least into this area of overhead resistance that the AI has. I have had a few comments and questions about that. How do you do that, Bill? I don't. My model does.
Right.
It runs and it looks at real-time data, and it comes up with what it thinks are areas of resistance and support, and it ranks them in strength for me. That's why this says weak or moderate or strong. And that information is useful too, because, and especially like right here, you can see when they start to stack up on each other, even though these two may be weak individually, they ended up being strong together. So price didn't really drop below that kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So that's how I use those. And then the little triangles just tell me when price has moved about halfway into one of these, because that's usually.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
like the optimum place to take a position if you can and if you want to. So anyway, this one's going up, going to keep going up, I think, at least for this session. When the news hits, all bets are off. When the news hits, we'll see. It could go either way. It could just blow right through this. It could bounce off this like a lead plate and head back to the downside. So we'll see. All right, now we have a US dollar chief, Swissy franc. So this one is in the middle, but here's the way I look at these things. I look at what was that game you played when you were a kid? Tag or it, but they had a different name. Anyway, the way I look at these is I look at the last bar that kind of tagged the support or resistance, and that's how I determine the direction. So, like from this one, the direction would be down until it tagged it again. All right. And now the direction is up. That's literally how I come up with these things. So right now I'm saying this is going to go to the upside until we play tag your it with overhead resistance. And I think I'm right. So we'll see. Okay. You have to structure this so you make more money when you're right than you lose when you're wrong. That's it. Everything else is bullshit. Okay. So just go for that and you'll be just great. All right. So here, last but not least, pound US dollar. If we use the tag your it strategy, this is the last.
Coin that. There it is.
There it is right there, tag your it. So we are going to make the analysis that this is going to go to the downside. Where will it go to the downside? Don't really know. Visually, I can spot these things pretty well. There's some support
there's some
here,
resistance there.
there's support here, there's support here. I usually found it to be prudent to target the closest one. You have the highest likelihood of achieving that. In the old days, I would like target here. I'm going to make 90 bajillion pips. No, that doesn't work. That just frustrates you. Okay. Anyway, that is all I got.
That is enough.
All right. Over and out for Bill.